Today is January 15th, and we've had some sprouts a few weeks ago, so hopefully I didn't leave this too late. This is my number 3 and my number 5 hosta. And we can see I've had 2 seedlings grow in the number 3 pot and 1 in the number 5. So today I'm going to be repotting them into their own independent pots so I can remove them from the cover and put them in brighter light. And they're labeled with the numbers 3 and the numbers 5, again, to track which hosta they'd come from. So let me just put some water in this. This is just dry potting mix, Miracle-Gro. So let me just soak those to get them ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the pots are very wet. And what you're going to want to do, is I'm just using a little spoon, is get underneath the roots to bring the whole thing up. There it is. Trying to get that, there it is. And just going to make a little hole in there and transfer it over. So now that can go into a window, and hopefully the roots will have more space to grow. That one didn't come out with soil. It sort of broke out. So we're just going to plant that one nicely back in here. And there it is. So I'm going to place these back in the window that I had them, in hopes that maybe a few more seeds might come up. I did read that hosta seeds are pretty tricky, and from the amount that I had originally put in here, I only got 3. So it might be true, or if anybody sees that I'm doing something wrong or can give some further tips, that'd be great and helpful. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Gardens transferring of hosta seedlings. This was step 3 in the journey of growing hostas from seeds harvested from the garden. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe,